Okay, some little black, maybe little red bird went over and it's not flapping its wings. Okay, I also don't see that flapping its wings. What is going on? Naked eye or on camera, I do not see flapping wings. There's little white UAPs flying around so fast that they're not fuzzies. I just confirmed that in pictures. Hi. Is this what contact is going to look like? Hello. Hello, hello. Hi, buddy. There's certainly a lot going on right now. Hi. Hello. You're not a plane. Hello. Hi. Can you come down here, please? Can you come down here, please? Can you drop your elevation? Come down here, please. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come down here, please. Hello, come down here, please. Slow down. Slow down and lower your elevation for me. Oh, something fast just went by. Was that just a bug? Slow it down and lower your elevation for me. Okay, so I have another video with multiple tiny little white things, and like there was 4 of them, and the last one moved so fast that there's no way it was just a fuzzy or a bug or something. And then it looked like there was 2 birds without flapping their wings. I mean, you got one of those, and then that thing, whatever that was, Tic Tac or whatever, that seemed to be a UAP to me. I don't know if that was a plane, but there's a lot of activity going on right now. Last night was a horrible demonic style attack, and today's been gorgeous, like good one. I think that if I jump down too fast in Zoom, I think that causes a stutter in the frame that's not editing. Uh-oh. That's our first of those today. I really don't want to stay out here so long. They start bombarding me with those. And now we're getting a lot of activity of jets. Now maybe these are just normal jets. They certainly do not look like it on camera. But the fluttering there, that's because some agency fucking put malware on my phone, as I explained in another video. And yes, I've changed the phone, and yes, it carried on with me. Because when 3-letter agencies want to fuck with you, well, apparently they don't let go very easy. I don't know what more they can learn from me at this point, but maybe those are just planes. But I swear the 2 like black birds, maybe they were like baby little airplane drones. I don't know. I did not see flapping wings, either on camera or eye. And then that first thing, plane-like thing, didn't seem to be a plane. There was no trail. So I just kind of want to keep this going. Well, I keep missing us. There we go. In case there. Is reality kind of breaking right now? Maybe a little bit of veil has been lifted. This is kind of what it feels like. Like I can see higher, even if it's not real. I can see higher than you usually can for the entire last year. Like it just kind of dead ends in blue. There doesn't seem to be anything up there. I don't know if there's a ceiling. It's all a hologram type thing anyway with pixels, but I'll take this over how nasty it usually is. Any day this is not. I'm going to hold this here a minute. I guess we've already gone long. For another 40 seconds. Just to see if any little white things, these itty bitty white things all came and showed up, like that one right there. That just flew fast. It flew fast. I hope I got that one on camera. That's what I was talking about. They're going so quickly that they can't just be floaters or even bugs. You don't see flapping or anything. Hey, little white guys, can you guys show up at the end of this video? Can you show up? You want to show me something cool? Show me something cool. Let it be thy will. I am part of source. I am source. I am part of source. I am source. Higher level entities show up. We've had way too many lower level entities. Too many demons. Higher level entities. God, Yahweh. Yahweh, the great creator. The great engineer. What is this weird place you've put me on? Show me something higher. Show me something better. I want to see some higher level dimensional beings or nice guys. No evil guys. Show me some nice guys. No, if that was a plane, why is it on such a big descent? That I don't know. I do seem to hear a jet, but that is a pretty big descent. Again, let me zoom out here so you can see the angle. See? If you want to show me something cool, show me something cool. If you want to show me something cool, show me something cool, show me something better. Bring me some higher level stuff, some nice stuff. Some nice stuff still in the way. That's on such a downward angle. And at least twice I've had two going straight down behind a building where I thought it was going to hit the ground and cause, just from kinetic energy, a huge explosion, damage. And now a helicopter. I'll just keep this going. Someone did ask me to film helicopters to see if any of the little UAPs follow it. Now there are 2 medical choppers and 1 sheriff's chopper that does fly regularly around here. That's not a chopper. Is that a chopper? Well, someone asked me to do that anyway, in case little dragonfly UAPs that follow planes and helicopters a lot show up. So I've been meaning to do that anyway. I didn't see anything, but that doesn't mean there wasn't anything. And I think you caught at least one of these little white UAP thingies. I don't know what those are. That's cool, because they seem good. I want good. Please send me good. Oh my God. I'm in.